Hello everyone, and in this video we're going to finish with the, well, not finish, we need to create a template and check if it works, but yeah, in this video we're going to work with the templates. Let's just, why did I close that? But okay, so let's just right away and go to the templates folder here, and let's create a new folder. Let's call it quiz. Okay, so here we're going to create first file will be new quiz.html. But before we start working on the file, let's go to the modules here. The modules like and let me check. So here in the add new quiz button, we need to add the URL. Let's copy this one. And if you go to classroom, the URL to create a new quiz is called new quiz. Okay, so here, check. Okay, new quiz. And we need to render all the quizzes, right? And so let's just copy this whole thing. This is for the pages, but it will work just fine with the quizzes. Let's just move this one here. Yes. So for quiz in module that quizzes that all, and here we pass, let me check the URL, quiz detail. Okay, so here we pass quiz detail, and then here we pass quiz, and that'll be it. Let me check. Okay, yeah, we save that. Okay, now let's go back to our new quiz. So here what we're going to do, we're going to basically create a basic form. Let's just see if we can reuse one of these ones, and yes, just copy, paste it here. Let's see, let's create a new quiz. Okay, title, it's not content, it's description. Oops. Description. We don't need files. Let's copy this one. This one will be do. And then let me see. I need to open this. Okay, the video's here. Okay. Okay, allow attempts. Paste it here. Okay. Trying to be fast with this. Time limits a minute. Okay. So we got the create new quiz. Okay, that's for the new quiz. We will see later if it works or not. Let me see. No, let me check again the Let me leave these views open there, the URL, so I can see. Okay, let's go to quiz. Let me check if I. Okay, so we got the new quiz. Now we need the new question. So let's right click. New question.html. Okay, for this one, we're going to do the same thing. Within a new quiz, let's just copy, paste it, and let's create a new question. Let's delete this one. Let me put form. Okay, question test. Let me put question, right? Points. Then you can just put how many points? Just put points. This question. Points in this question. La 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 la. Sorry. So now we need let's go to serialize. What is that? Okay. Okay, now here. Okay, let me just, because we need to remember that we need the answer and it's correct or not. But I'm planning to use a select for that, for the answer. So let me just really quick with this one, paste it here. Let's put this one 9. Here's supposed to be the input, so let's put input, and the type will be test, of course. The name, very important, you need to put for the name answer underscore test, just like we did here. Okay, if you're gonna just copy and paste it here, would be great. So name, type, and then we can, and then ID, remember to put ID answer underscore test, and then just put pass value. Flavor for answer test. This will be answer 1. So here that's for the answer. So now we need to get the select. So let's go here. Let's click on select, and then let's just copy the first one, paste it here. Just move it. Let's put the rest of the columns will be 3. So this one will be choose yes or no. and we will have to yes and no. Value, this one will be true, and this one will be false, right? Remember to put the T capitalized and the F capitalized too. Okay. So in here in the select, let's just put select ID. It's on score correct. And name, but it's correct. Don't forget to put the name, okay? And then here for the label, we can just put, is this the correct answer? Okay. So this one will be for the one, for the answer one. We need to copy this one. I need to copy this one and paste it multiple times. I will name this one too. So we have like multiple like options or multiple answers. You can just create a JavaScript button that has like a plus, and then you can click on them and like create more answer just in case they use because this one applies if you want to have like here, if you want to have like just 2 or 3, 5, 10 answers per question, this one will work great. Here just it depends how many answers you want. But yeah, we are, let me see, 2, 3. For mine, I will do 4. Just see, and that's it. That should be it for now. So let's put create new question. Okay, perfect. So we need to add a new button. Let me put S12. We need to add a new button. And this button will take us, this is when we finish. So we can take my courses, sorry, URL, my courses, I think it is. Okay. Then here we can just put button medium, right? Just like button, right? So this one will be when the let me just put finish. So when because remember that this view like loops until basically the user exits, so we need to find like have a button that make us leave just in case, right? Okay, we got that one. We haven't tested it yet. I'm just saying like I got that one, we haven't tested it yet. Okay, so we got now new question and new quiz. Let's just create another one. Let's call it quiz detail HTML. I think that's the one that goes after. Check. Okay, yes, quiz detail. And let me see which one can we reuse. Watch it. Let me reuse this one. Space it here. So so on the top, let's put Remember quiz title. And then here, let's have a section. Delete that one. Here, I will have kind of like 3 blocks. In class call 4. It will be 3 blocks, and each block will tell me. Let me put here. Do. We are in the quiz description, so I'll put do. And here I will put a P. Paragraph, right? Quiz do. Allow it attempts. And then time limit, and then here we put time underscore limit mean. Okay, so we need the. Oh, I deleted the other thing, but here let's put the description. Let's put quiz that description, and remember we need to put save so we can render the HTML tags. And here I will show all the like attempt. Remember that we have like the attempt in this one. So let me see. Collection we have. Okay, here we can just put my attempt, right? And then so for the attempt, just for attempt here in. Remember, if you go to the views and like quiz detail, we got my attempts. So I just copy this one. And my attempts. Then we can just delete that. Delete that. Yes. Oh, what is this like secondary button? Okay, this will take us. Okay, this. Okay, here URL, because we want to take the user to the attempt detail. Remember here, attempt detail. We need to pass multiple things here. We're going to do that like later. Let's just do it now. So we need to pass the course ID that we don't get in the quiz. So let's just pass course ID here, comma, module ID, and comma. So course ID, module ID, we can just click quiz.id because we getting the object template, remember? Then temp.id. And delete that. Okay, we got it. I think so. We will see. Okay, that's for the quiz detail. So we're missing the tech quiz and attempt detail. And we're going to do that in the next video, and then we're going to try and see if everything works. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.